Welcome to the mini Asik-Asik waterfalls in Davao. Not to be confused with the original one in Cotabato. This mini Asik-Asik falls is just almost a 1-hour drive away from Davao City. You will also need to trek for 15 to 30 minutes to reach the falls. Its name, Asik-Asik, means sprinkle and hilligated. Water doesn't just plunge. It gracefully cascades from moss-covered rocks, creating a magical curtain of pure, refreshing spring water. Locals in the area will offer you a guide to accompany you to and from the falls. You will also be asked to pay for entrance fees. And it is also a big help not only those maintaining the trail, but the local community surrounding it. Just look closely and see how beautiful this natural falls flows through the mossy wall of rocks.